I am always floored at what Seiko is able to do for the money. Welcome back to the channel for Right Time Watches here in Denver, Colorado. Today we're taking a quick look at a pair of two amazingly beautiful Seiko Presage models with enamel dials. Before we dig into any more of those details though, we'll invite you to subscribe to our channel so you catch all of our upcoming videos on watches like this one. The sizing on these watches is a little bit small at 34.3 millimeters in diameter with a 42.5 millimeter lug to lug. They're just 12.1 millimeters thick, and inside they're powered by the 6R31 automatic movement, which has a 70-hour power reserve. The defining visual feature on both of these watches is the Seiko-produced enamel dial. The enamel process used by Seiko is very detailed and watched over closely, and what it creates is a beautiful, lustrous dial that will last for many, many years. So if you're looking for an heirloom type piece that will maintain its beauty throughout its lifetime, this is a great way to go. These watches also have a lovely unisex quality about them, being a little bit smaller, but that tends to be the trend these days for both men's and women's watches. This white dial version has an amazing Roman numeral track around the outside with brown numerals. The blue version is a little bit different, with a hybrid between this and another model. We've got Roman on the bottom right side and sticks on the upper left. This blue model is a limited edition, so they did something a little bit more unique and fun with it. These watches are everything you'd want from modern Seiko. They have an amazing case construction, a signed crown on the right side, and a sapphire crystal over top of the dial. They are also equipped with high-quality leather straps with amazing deployant buckles. This one is a beautiful brown with a bit of a cross-stitch pattern looking over the top, and like I said, this buckle is very high quality for the price point. This blue model is also stainless steel, has the same sapphire crystal over top, but this one has a nice, lightly gold-toned PVD around the outside of the case. It gives it a really nice look, in my opinion. The underside of the strap has a similar matching gold tone, and this case back shows you the limited edition number out of 1,000 pieces. On this model, you get the same deployant buckle in a matching gold PVD steel. These watches may not be to everybody's taste, but for all that I hear about the dress watch trend returning and going back to vintage sizing, this one definitely fits that category. These are beautiful watches, and if you don't mind a smaller timepiece, this would be a great option for you, because you get amazing quality with the beautiful enamel, the reliable movement, and the amazing construction from modern Seiko. These watches are impressive, beautiful, and really well priced. If you'd like to purchase either of these watches or anything else that we have to offer, please visit us online at righttime.com or give us a call. We're always happy to help. As always, thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you next time at Right Time.